Hello, I'm Emrata. This is another video. Today, Binance will list MBOX coin token. Today, I want to show you how to buy MBOX coin and token on Binance with 120% commission kickback code, discount code. Now, this is our website, Cryptocurrency USA and Canada. You can get all information about cryptocurrencies, best cryptocurrencies on the world. You see, owners, founders, what is money goal. You can get all informations on this website. Step by step guides and videos in here already. Now, how to open a Binance account with 20% discount code lifetime? You need to click this banner. Yes, this is create Binance account page. Add your information and please check this code. This code must be here, my friends. You must see this. If you don't see this, please get code from our website. Yes, click create account and we are in Binance. Now, we need to add money, deposit money to our Binance account for buy MBOX coin. Click there, buy crypto, select your money, USDT. If you are living in Europe or different country, you can select your country money. Now, I select USA dollar, credit and debit card. Click here. You can buy BNB, but I want to show you with Tether. Now, let's wait. Yes. Now we have this USD Tether. Okay, click continue, add your debit card and continue again, and your money on your Binance account. So easy. Now, how to buy MBOX coin? We need to enter a market. You see, left side. This is search coin name, MBOX. If you have BNB, you can click this, but if you have USDT yani Tether, click here, select MBOX. Yes, this is MBOX trade screen. This button for buy, click here, write your USA dollar and click the buy. For sell, if you have 2000 or 5000 MBOX, click the sell. Now money 10 minutes later, this money will on Binance. When this happened, you can see sellers and buyers in this area. So easy. Now, if you need more information about other cryptocurrencies, you should visit our website. All information here about best cryptocurrencies. See you next time, another video. Please do safe trading. Wish you a good day, Emrata.